After completing the damp-proof whitewash, we now move into the finishing works of our home construction. As per the budget and design, finishing materials are carefully chosen. In the kitchen area, marbles are installed for durability and easy cleaning. Across the floors, elegant tiles are laid. For highlights, walls in the kitchen, toilets, and parking area are finished with decorative tiles to give a stylish look. The final electrical works are completed, including the essential earth connection for safety. Meanwhile, the plumbing work is also finished to ensure smooth water flow in every part of the house. We then focus on other finishing elements. A suitable gate model is selected. Steel casing for steps is installed for strength. Paints are chosen and applied to bring the house to life. And woodwork and PVC windows are completed to provide durability and beauty. Once all this is completed, on an auspicious day, we perform puja and celebrate the housewarming festival with family and friends. With the house photos, we apply for and receive the house completion report from the bank. Next, we complete the property assessment and start paying property tax with the new house address. Finally, with property tax receipts and photos, we apply for a UDC connection and a government water connection. With this, 100% of Stage 1 construction is completed. We sincerely thank everyone who has been part of this Stage 1 construction journey.